Aging is a natural process, and only the most fortunate of us experience it. Don't be embarrassed by your age. Aging is a fact of life. Looking your age is not. Today I'm going to tell you my night care routine and my anti aging serums. There are a lot of anti aging products available in the market which are very expensive, and our pocket won't allow us to buy all these. I researched on all these products and find out that these are the main ingredients which are present in all the anti-aging creams. First is retinol, the next is vitamin C and E, the third is collagen, hyaluronic acid, lactic acid and peptides. I bought these individual ingredients from the shop. It's normally available from Walmart. The Inky list products available from Sephora online. This almond oil also have vitamin E. It's very good for the skin. This is the hyaluronic acid. It helps to pump your skin. This is the collagen booster. It also has proteins and it helps to support skin firmness, and it helps to maintain elasticity also in your skin. Reduce fine lines, it helps to reduce wrinkles. So I have taken an empty bottle. This is an empty bottle. And I mixed all these ingredients together in this bottle. Not a very, very little quantity of all these ingredients. Like this is wet vitamin E. Vitamin E capsules are also available. If you want to buy vitamin E capsules, you can buy that also. This is an almond oil. It also has vitamin E. If you don't have vitamin E, you can use almond oil as well. Hyaluronic acid. And all these products which you are looking over here are very reasonable. It's not very expensive. Like the Inky list, all the products are approximately about $8 to $10. Vitamin E is just $5, and you can use it for a very long time, because I have added, if you have already seen, that a very small quantity of each product and mix it together, so it works almost a year. You can use it, because at night I have just taken a very small amount as a night serum in my palm and just rub it on my face, and the motion of your fingers should be upwards. With this serum you can use other products, or also, like you can use retinol, you can use like your own moisturizer. Always remember, the retinol you have to do not have to use daily. Alternate, or mostly normally I use twice a week. This is a heptapeptide also. I use like alternately, like if I'm using retinol, then I won't use heptapeptide. Vitamin C we have to use in the daytime. It helps to maintain your skin color, the color patches which is formed in the skin. It helps to maintain the color. For the skin, I use that anti-aging, that CC cream also is also very good. It is a full coverage, as used as a sunscreen, hydrating serum, everything. With all the creams and lotion which you are applying on your face, water is also very essential to keep your skin healthy and glowing. I use these two tools too in my night care routine, but I will tell you in detail about these in some other video. So keep watching, like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.